How to add a green screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your green screen footage and the background clip into the media pool. Place the background clip on the video track 1 in the timeline, then put your green screen clip directly above it on video track 2. Select the green screen clip, then open the effects library and type 3D keyer into the search bar under Open Effects. Drag the 3D keyer effect onto your green screen clip on the timeline. Next, switch to the Open Effects overlay by clicking the icon near the viewer, replacing the default transform controls. Then, click on the green part of your footage, which will instantly remove most of the green background. If the edges of your subject is still so green or look rough, adjust settings like Clean Black and Clean White to smooth the marks. You can also fine-tune the dispel slider to reduce any green tint left on your subject. Take your time making a small adjustment until the subject blends naturally with the background without any leftover green fringe. After that, scrub through your timeline to confirm the effect holds up throughout the video. Once everything looks good, export or continue editing your project with the green screen effect applied. And that's it. Now you know how to add a green screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.